Hi YouTube, welcome to SSdev. Today I'm going to just a bit of pick porn. This is my original SSdev in 15 thousandths deep hook. Let's try and get this, which I really like for picking any American padlock. So I thought I'd make one out of Lock Tools steel with it's full tang, tiger wood handle with brass pins, and yeah, quite nice polish on there. So I thought we'd give it a go. So just move this a minute. Got this 1205 American. It's not bad bitting on the key. Sorry, the light is a little bit shit in here. Yeah, not bad bitting on the key. So anyway, let's see how this little beastie picks it. Try and get this sorted. Okay. So I'm balancing on the side of my bandsaw at the moment. So with the SSdev profile, you can come from the bottom of the keyway and pick right up to the top. He's nice and slim, so he misses out on all the warding. I think we've got number 4. It's got number 4. We've got a little bit of movement on the core then. On top of number 2, on to number 1, and we're in. Yeah, that wasn't too bad, was it? So that was the Wespix SSdev with a tiger wood handle. Should we have a quick look inside here? I've not actually looked inside. I'm assuming they're the same as any other American core. So he's obviously 6 chambers, but probably, well, he is pinned for 5. Get the circlip off. Drop a shim in the back. You quite often don't need a shim on an American core. So pins are to me. Right, so as you can see, he was pinned up for 5. So number 1. Serrated, 2, serrated, 3, serrated, bit of a theme here, sticky that one. Let's get number 5 out. Tiny little serrated one on there. Take the shim away. So number 1. Nice serrations on number 1. Actually really nice serrations on these driver pins. give you a close-up of these in a sec. There. So there's the pins, very nicely serrated pins, no spools, just a lovely serrated driver. It's very fine. So anyway, that was the Wespix SSdev deep hook style pick in 15 thousandths, and picking an American 1205. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.